Are you tired of confusing diet advice and want a simple 7-day weight loss plan you can actually follow? In today's video, I'll share a beginner-friendly meal plan designed to help you lose weight in a safe and healthy way, without starving yourself or eating boring food. Day 1. Start your morning with Greek yogurt, berries, and chia seeds. For lunch, enjoy grilled chicken with quinoa and roasted vegetables. Dinner can be baked salmon with steamed asparagus and a small sweet potato. Keep snacks light, like an apple with almonds or carrots with hummus. Day 2. Scrambled eggs with spinach and whole grain toast make a filling breakfast. Lunch is a turkey and avocado wrap, and for dinner, stir-fried chicken or tofu with brown rice and veggies. Snacks can be cottage cheese with pineapple or a banana with peanut butter. Day 3. Oatmeal topped with blueberries is a great way to start your day. For lunch, try a warm bowl of lentil soup with a side salad. Dinner is grilled shrimp with zucchini and couscous. Add in protein-rich snacks like yogurt or boiled eggs. Day 4. Day 4 begins with a refreshing smoothie, spinach, banana, protein powder, and almond milk. Lunch is a light chicken Caesar salad, and dinner is baked cod with Brussels sprouts and quinoa. Snacks: grapes with cheese or celery sticks with peanut butter. Day 5. For breakfast, go with boiled eggs and avocado toast. Lunch is a pita stuffed with hummus, grilled veggies, and chicken strips. Dinner can be a lean steak with roasted green beans and mashed cauliflower. Keep snacks simple with fruit and yogurt. Day 6. Chia pudding topped with strawberries makes a satisfying breakfast. For lunch, enjoy salmon salad with a small baked potato. Dinner is turkey meatballs with zucchini noodles and marinara sauce. Snack on apples with almond butter or boiled eggs with carrots. Day 7. Breakfast: yogurt parfait with granola and fruit. Lunch: grilled chicken breast with couscous and mixed vegetables. Dinner: light vegetable soup with lean protein like fish, tofu, or turkey. Remember, the secret is portion control. Fill half your plate with vegetables, 1/4 with lean protein, and the last quarter with whole grains or starchy foods. Drink plenty of water, avoid sugary drinks, and aim for at least 30 minutes of movement each day. And that's your 7-day weight loss meal plan. If this video was helpful, hit the like button, subscribe for more healthy lifestyle tips, and share this with a friend who wants to start their weight loss journey.